Home sale activity remained elevated across Metro Vancouver's housing market in September, while the pace of homes being listed for sale continued to follow long-term averages. Let's take a closer look. Realtors registered over 3,100 home sales on the MLS last month. That's a 14% decrease compared to this time last year, but is 21% over the 10-year average for the month. On the supply side, sellers newly listed around 5,100 homes on the MLS, a 19% decrease compared to this time last year. This brings the total number of homes currently listed for sale in our region to about 9,200. The total inventory of homes for sales remains insufficient to meet demand in today's market. This scarcity limits people's purchasing options and ultimately adds upward pressure on home prices. How do we determine if supply is meeting demand? One simple way is to look to the sales to active listings ratio. When this ratio dips below 12% for a sustained period, this indicates supply is outpacing demand and prices typically decline. When it surpasses 20% for a sustained period, this means that demand is outpacing supply, which typically causes prices to increase. September ended with the ratio at 34%, which is a seller's market. By property type, we see that demand pressure continues to be most pronounced in the townhome market, a trend we've been seeing throughout 2021. The MLS HPI benchmark price for all housing types in Metro Vancouver is $1,186,000. This is up about 14% over this time last year and is about 1% up from last month. The summer trend of above-average home sales and historically typical new listings activity continued in Metro Vancouver in September. Although this is keeping the overall supply of homes for sale low, we're not seeing the same upward intensity on home prices today as we did in the spring. Home price trends will, however, vary depending on property type and neighborhood, so it's important to take a hyper-local look at your location and property category of choice before making a home buying or selling decision. For further housing market information, go to the Market Watch section of our website. For the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, I'm Keith Stewart.